All right, drink we're about to make is called a Cherried Dream Rum. First thing we're going to do is put some ice in a glass here. And we're going to use a martini glass. If you want to chill it, just put some water and ice in there and let it sit. And by the time you're done making the drink, it's going to be ready to go. Start off with a shot of light rum. And do a half a shot of cherry brandy. There we go. And do about a shot of cream. Perfect. Go ahead and shake it up real good. Get everything mixed together. Get it nice and cold. Anytime you're serving a drink up in a martini glass, obviously it's not going to have ice to keep it cold. So you want to make sure that you shake it enough that you get it as cold as possible. Grab your martini glass and a strainer. And we're going to go ahead and strain that into the glass. A nice, creamy martini all the way to the top. There you go. Bottoms up.